How many? I'm so happy.
How many times you gonna tell me about an air fryer? I'm my favorite for you.
I told the kids too. They was like, "Ooh, you rich, auntie." I said, "Little do you know, I put it on sale for $30." And back. My name is Melissa, and I'm back with another video. Today it is a vlog. I'm still learning this vlogging thing, so be cool with me. Don't try to come for me, okay? But anyway, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I hope you stay a while, see something that you like. And if you have been here before, welcome back, boo. Anywho, today's video is going to be a lifestyle video. Okay. I'm trying to switch up some things and just help my routine a little bit. I'm having a hard time with my appetite, and I thought getting an air fryer would be not only easier but fun. Duh. Anywho, as you can see, like, I'm just regular Melissa. I'm Melissa at home, still snatched anytime. Okay, don't you forget that. But I'm going to show you me using my air fryer for the first time because I done told the world already. And let's just get into it. So I got this cute air fryer. Look, this shit is fire. Hold up. Fire. It was on sale for only $30. Free shipping, okay? Free shipping. And it was like 80 something dollars before, so I got it for Black Friday, of course. So like, let's look and all right. So yeah, you know, I bought a cute one that was colored instead of black. I was kind of getting bored with black. Hold on. All right, so oh yeah, I can hold it. Hold up. I got a little ting. Oh, turn it around. I guess it's upside down and it's around and around. Alright, so this is my air fryer from Belk. Why did I sound like that? From Belk. B-E-L-K. Alright. It says, important, your air fryer must be placed at least 6 inches from walls or other objects. Okay, thanks for that reminder. Start a forest fire. Oh, okay. Look at me exploring and ting. Alright, so this is what's inside when I open. So I'm assuming this is the frying tray or whatever they call it. Alright, so look, let me put this one little thing together and I'm gonna come right back. Hello, I am feeling myself and I am telling everybody that I have an air fryer. I even told the kids, hold up. So I'm doing a video real quick and I just wanted to ask you a question in the video. Jasmine?
What?
Did I tell you about air fryer?
No, get the fuck away from me.
How many? I'm so happy.
How many times you gonna tell me about an air fryer? I'm my favorite for you.
I told the kids too. They was like, "Ooh, you rich, auntie." I said, "Little do you know, I put it on sale for $30. Bye." So that's that. So I cleaned my chicken with vinegar and I got the fat off, and then I like to do an extra cleaning with my lemon. So I took this thing out of the inside. This is the grill frying part that the food sits on top of, I believe. So I'm just gonna wipe it down because, you know, it needs to be clean before you just throw your food on top of something and throw it in your mouth. And it's Corona. please. All right, so it's saying on the recipe, there's like little recipes that come with the air fryer when you first buy it. And on this recipe for chicken wings, sriracha chicken wings specifically, it says preheat air fryer, pat dry excess moisture on wings with paper towel, toss the dried wings with the oil and salt. I do not cook like that. This is the recipe that they gave in case I needed help. Baby, I got this with the chicken department. However, I am gonna do what they say. They said to preheat the air fryer. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna preheat it to 25. Oh shit, that's a whole fire. Oh snap, it's fire! I don't even think I was supposed to turn that, but I'm gonna figure this out. Hold up. So I have my chicken seasoned. I try to make it as non-wet as possible because I didn't want it to smoke too much, but I did put a few drops of olive oil in here before I seasoned it, and then I shook all my seasoning together. I am just gonna add a little bit of this. I'm gonna add a little bit of my, so I just want to add a little bit of Grace curry powder for some little spice on top of the chicken, but it's not curry chicken. I just like to do that. And listen, I'm using the air fryer for the first time. Might as well go all out. Okay. Alright, so we just gonna just a little, and then we're gonna shake it up. Put the top back on. And I'm gonna shake up the chicken real quick. So I'm gonna put these drumsticks in this tray and have it cook for like 5 minutes, and then add the rest of this chicken to it. I saw that in the book when it was given a recipe for some of the chicken wings. So I'm just gonna do that, and I'm gonna keep you updated. So let's do it. Alright, so I just have the chicken here, and I'm going to put it in to this little part here. So it's cooking, y'all. There's a little fan at the top. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I got an air fryer. I got an air fryer. I'm so happy I have an air fryer, and I haven't. So one thing about me, I hate cleaning chicken. Like this is disgusting. Like I could totally understand like why why the people that like don't like meat are like so extreme with it sometimes. Even though I feel like you should still mind your business. But that shit smell like blood and dead animals and all of that, you know. It was hard. It was hard because I do not enjoy cleaning chicken. I think that it's absolutely gross, okay? But I got the air. Okay, so it's only been 5 minutes, and look how good this looks. Okay, all right, okay. Only been 5 minutes. The drums only, boopy. I'm going to add the rest of the pieces and then continue to cook and then show you how it looks after. I'm gonna take these seasoned waffle cup fries. Don't fall, don't fall. I'm gonna take these non-GMO, you know, at least if I'm gonna like be a little junky, I can do a little bit better. So seasoned waffle cup fries, I got this downstairs at the healthy supermarket, and I'm just gonna eat that with the wings because I don't got time to be cooking a whole last meal right now. So yeah, 0 trans fat per serving. So let me get these together while I'm waiting. So look, the chicken is done. I just stopped the timer. Oh my goodness. And it's like really done. Like, wow. I like stuck a hole in the chicken to look at the blood and to see if it was cooked inside of one of the pieces. And baby girl. So I cooked my waffle fries for like 10 minutes until they was like a little crispy, but not too crispy that it, you know, scratched the back of my throat or whatever. But this is it, and I'm so happy. This is the oven part that I just took all the food out of. So it's not too greasy. I'm trying to look at the very, hold on. Yeah, it's not too greasy, but I am going to let it cool off. I'm going to let it cool off before I empty out all of this grease that I left in here. And then I'm going to pour it out and then clean. So the moment of truth has come. I now taste the food. Will it be good? This is ginger ale, by the way. This is ginger ale. And yes, I put it in a cup because when you have a bunch of wine glasses, you can do that. But I'm gonna taste the chicken and let y'all know what I thought. So might as well do it on camera. I'll be back. This is a little one, like the smallest one. I don't know if they just doing like a free one or something, but because all the rest of them are like a little bit bigger. But wow, I really made chicken without fire. Good. Alright, the waffle fries are good too, but I think next time I'm going to put less time to let them cook because I didn't fill up the whole dish to eat a bunch of fries. I only put like a few for myself because I'm not about to sit here and eat a bunch of food. But I'm impressed. I'm satisfied. That was good. You know, I had to take a few seconds to go eat it to the side. That was amazing, and I'm so glad that I filmed this with y'all. Now I'm going to use my air fryer all the time. I'm so happy, so I'm about to go sit down and eat the rest of that food. I'm gonna post this video. If you like this video, please let me know down below, or if this was helpful for you cooking anything. If you have an air fryer, let me know where you got yours from and what's your favorite thing to cook, because I am looking for suggestions. I am looking for recipes. Whatever you can provide or comment on with your experience with the air fryer, I'm all ears, you know. I want to know. So if you like this video, please actually press like down below, because then it lets YouTube that you liked my content on your page and that you would like to see more of it, and it helps me grow as a channel, and it's free, so it doesn't do you any harm to do so. But I really truly hope that you did enjoy my video and you would like to stay a while and check out my other videos. You know, they're gonna be either here or here. And I will be seeing you in my next video. Be blessed. Remember to take care of yourself, and nobody got you like you got you. Peace.